Morning guys, September 15, 2023. This one I got a call from, seems like a new customer. An older lady called me and she's got a problem with her toilet tank, and she says that it's a wall hung toilet and it's leaking water when she flushes it. So I'm thinking that it might be an old wall hung tank type way up high with a flush elbow coming down, you know, like they had one of some of the original toilets. I'm not sure, but she says the tank's on the wall, and it's a wall mounted toilet and the tank's on the wall is what she said. So I'm thinking that's the issue. But she says the house was built a long time ago and back in the 60s, so late 60s. So we're going to go by there and see if we can find out why the toilet's leaking and see if we can fix it for her. If not, we might have to replace it. I don't know. That's where I'm going, and we'll see what we can do over there. See if we can fix this lady's issue. Another damsel in distress, Miss Molly. Oh, yeah. Another damsel in distress, Miss Molly. Yeah, you love damsels in distress. Yeah, I know you do. I know you do. Yeah, it's definitely a...
I wasn't going that far back.
Oh yeah, you can see the bolt already broke. The whole tank's loose.
Really?
See the whole... I can move the whole tank.
Oh, no.
I bet you. Yeah, the bolt's loose. The bolt's loose.
Yeah, and why would I have to flush it twice?
Well, that's nothing to do with the bolt. Let me see.
You can see. Sometimes
Yeah, the
it
bolt
works,
must have let
sometimes
loose.
it doesn't. Oh.
Looks like there's new ones in there.
Yeah?
Maybe it's just loose. Did somebody do any work to this thing?
Yeah,
How long ago?
well, not too long ago.
Not too long ago. Looks like I might be able to just tighten them up.
You think so?
Looks
That
like
would
it's
be
loose.
good.
Might be a little loose as a goose there.
How would it get loose?
I don't know, but I could move it by hand. Look at, I can move
I
it.
know, and I don't remember the space being that.
Let me get my tools and try tightening that. Okay.
Great.
The dog's all right. He's not gonna bite me.
No, he isn't. He's very gentle, and he's got a trachea problem, a collapsing trachea, so he's on medication.
Trachea? What's he on, a CPAP machine?
No, I'm working on an inhaler.
Was he?
Oh yeah, I'm sending the.
So he couldn't breathe, the poor guy.
Huh?
He couldn't breathe.
No, he still can't breathe. I'm waiting for better medication from Canada.
Oh my
That
God.
part of it.
All right, so let me get my tools.
Okay.
Where'd you get my number?
Out of the old telephone book.
Yeah, see, I can move the thing by hand. That's
Yeah,
no
I
good.
thought it was awful high. The tank sit awful high.
Yeah, it's like he must have rebuilt it, but he probably didn't tighten it enough.
Oh.
What's the dog's name?
Benji.
Benji.
Yeah, he's on prednisone, so he's losing his fur.
He's in tough shape, the poor guy.
He's in tough shape, so I'm hoping when I get the inhaler, I can get him off that prednisone.
Yeah, you know, you get so attached to him.
Yeah, he's a good dog. He's very low key.
Know what I'm saying? I know I get attached to my little dog.
Yeah.
Well, look at that. I mean, it's really loose. Look how loose it
They
is.
sleep with you. Oh golly!
I mean, that thing is flipping loose as a
believe
goose.
Why it's so loose?
Look how, I mean, it's crazy loose.
Yeah.
When you tighten up the other side, you gotta kind of torque it.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
I mean, that was really bad. Look at the flipping gap in there.
Yeah.
That's nuts. No, when you said wall hung, I thought you meant like it was one of those that was... Wow,
I didn't
look how
even
loose
think
it
about
is.
that, but I remember going to.
I just don't want to over tighten it, and then he put new parts in there and it's not the right parts. I mean, will it work? Probably.
Yeah.
Let me try it. We don't want to tighten it up too much and crack anything here, you know.
Yeah, I know.
But it's got to be tight so it's not leaking. Crazy. It's really... She's loose as a goose.
Yeah. That's not good.
No. Yeah, I wonder. try it and see. I mean, I don't think them are the right parts in there.
Really?
Well, it looks like you put a new flush valve, a new fill valve, and all that. You don't remember the guy doing the work?
It was a while ago.
How long ago?
Oh God, I can't. Not that long, but.
Not that long. All right, let me see if it flushes and leaks now. I mean, it was leaking bad, right, before?
Yeah, it was enough. I noticed the grout was all wet. And I thought at first it came from the sink, you know, you're splashing water, and then I looked at it and noticed the water.
Did you shut it off?
Oh yeah, that was what I meant to tell you right away.
Okay.
I forgot.
Let me see if I could adjust
jeez.
this thing up here a little bit, a little higher, so I got more water in here.
Yeah, I thought that I better close that valve.
No, you did the right thing, but let me see if I could. Because it looks like there's more bolts in there, and I could see the.
Yeah.
We'll fill it and try it again. I mean,
I can't understand how they can lose.
it's looking loose. Totally loose. I don't know. Might have to take it apart and put a new gasket in there, you know?
Yeah.
Let's see. We try to do the least amount of thing possible, right?
Yeah.
Without replacing the whole toilet. I don't want to break nothing. The thing was really flipping crazy loose. I tightened them a lot. You've seen how much I tightened it, right? I think this is adjustable up if I had to. Yeah, that's a whole new valve we put in there. I'm trying to get the water level where it needs to be. It was too low. That's why it wasn't flushing on the first flush.
Yeah, you'd have to flush it twice.
Yeah, we don't want to do that. You see the water line there. I'm trying to get it higher. Yeah, so it's pretty close. Might even want to come up a little more. Well, I brought it up quite a bit. Let's see if it leaks. It flushed.
It's got good suction now.
Well, it didn't have enough water. I mean, I brought that extension up, and then I brought the fill valve up, probably a good 1.5 inches. Yeah, it didn't have enough water in there.
That's what was causing.
Well, it was all loose for one, because this has all been reworked. They put new parts in here. You don't remember that?
Yeah, I do.
And it didn't really work right
But
since you
no,
did it.
it didn't work right because I had to hold the handle down.
Well, you shouldn't have to hold the handle down.
I know, so I crawled back.
I just want to make sure we don't
And they
over tighten anything to break it, but
They
we're gonna
didn't
be
want to have
tight.
anything to do with me, so,
Well, once they get their money,
yeah.
you know, once they get their money, they take off and they don't want nothing to do with it. It's kind of terrible, isn't
Well,
it?
the guy said if you're not happy with it, you know, call and see.
Yeah, we'll see. All right. All right. So we're gonna bring the water level up and try it again. It's a lot tighter.
Yeah.
It's a lot better than it was. It's still a pretty big gap there, but I don't want to break nothing.
I know. Will it loosen up again, though?
It shouldn't. It's against the wall.
Yeah.
It's hitting the wall. And I mean, I took a good 1/2 inch
Yeah.
on both sides. All right, so let's see if it flushes. That's an American standard. That uses a lot of water. That was one handle.
Yeah, it seems to flush better now than it was. It was very weak.
So you didn't have enough water in the tank.
Yeah.
So maybe you got lucky.
Yeah, I just got a new cover for it.
The yellow one?
Yeah.
Well, we're lucky to find it.
Well,
I think you're gonna be all right. Like I said, ma'am, I mean these parts aren't the right parts for it, but
No.
it seems to be better now. It's not leaking and flushing.
Yep.
I mean, let's leave well enough alone.
Yep.
Because this is not an easy toilet to change. Because this is it's a wall hung.
Right.
You don't want to change this. I guarantee that the new one's not going to be the same as the back there. See how the back is with the wood?
I know.
It'll be different. It's like a commercial toilet. I don't know why they put this in. Yeah, this has been changed. The flush valve's been changed. I just want to make sure it don't leak. The corky flapper and the new bolts. That's all. Yeah, you tried calling him back. He wouldn't come, huh?
Oh, he wouldn't. I had to leave a message and then I got nothing back. So my son tried calling him and he said, "You're right, he never calls you back."
Yeah. All right. So we're within range there of the overflow, and as long as it's not leaking.
Good.
Got this old stuff, you know. We get old and we start having issues.
Yeah.
Ain't that the truth?
No.
Huh? What's so funny? We'll flush it again, but it seems to be okay.
Yeah, I'm just.
I don't want to tighten it up too much and then crack it either.
I hope it doesn't come loose again. That's what I'm worried about.
Well, it takes a while to go down, doesn't it?
Yeah.
You know, it's right against the wall, so it shouldn't, you know? I mean, I don't want to go any tighter than that, because then I got a chance of breaking things.
Yeah, you don't want to do that either.
I tightened it. I feel confident with it. I mean, it's not leaking anymore. So the fine line be tightening it up and tightening it too much is a fine line there, you know?
I know.
Okay, I don't see any leaks, so.
Yeah.
We readjusted the internals the best we could, and
Yeah.
that's it.
All righty.